The VA in West Los Angeles, a top facility for veterans. But hospital officials now confirm a rash of drug overdoses.
I can tell you that there's been 5 deaths.
That's 5 deaths in less than 3 months in dorm-like residential halls. One of them was 28-year-old Marine Lance Corporal Justin Bailey. After being injured in Iraq, he also suffered from post-traumatic stress disorder and was abusing drugs. Justin's parents relied on the VA.
I always thought, they were good health care.
But their son was having trouble, says Vietnam veteran Mike Vasquez, a dorm mate.
You see him in the yard loaded all the time. Everybody knew he was loaded.
Justin's friend Dimitri Rensis insists he repeatedly warned hospital personnel that Justin should not be allowed to self-administer his medication.
The staff and the nurses, they would see him passing out or being incoherent, and what they would do is they would take him to his room, put him on his bed, and just leave him there.
Our staff is denying this, that they received these multiple warnings.
Justin was already on 5 different medications when he was given a 2-week supply of methadone. The next day, he was dead, apparently of an accidental overdose. Known for treating heroin addiction, methadone has recently been used for pain relief, with some dangerous results, according to the FDA. Have you seen this FDA alert on methadone?
I haven't seen this particular alert, but I know in recent weeks there's been quite a bit on methadone and questioning its use in chronic pain.
They're handing out the drugs like it's candy.
The VA says it trusted patients to take their own medication, but when another patient died just a week after Justin, bringing the total to 5 in 10 weeks, they changed several procedures, especially for new patients.
Our idea initially would be to give them a single day supply, maybe on the weekends a 2-day supply.
It shouldn't just be a place to hand out drugs. We ask them to go, and they do things. But when we come back, we got to fix them.
The man suffered from PTSD, and this is a terrible tragedy.
And one that will likely be repeated as more troubled Iraq veterans come home.
If you want to know what's going to be happening to the Iraqi veteran, look at the Vietnam vet.
And what would I find if I looked at them?
Misery and pain. I'm just barely starting to get my life back together. I'm 57 years old. Nobody deserves that.
For today, Jonathan Alter, NBC News, Los Angeles.